Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to copy folder link in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to copy folder link in your Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone as I've already opened it. And after opening your Picsart app guys, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart. And over here at the bottom of the screen, you can see a bunch of icons available for us. Where there is the plus button available for us and the folder button just beside it at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the folder button over here and you'll land over here. Now in order to copy the folder link in Picsart, simply tap and hold on the folder which you want to copy the link of. For example, I'm just tapping and holding on this folder over here, and when this panel appears guys, you can see the second last option that says copy link. Tap on it, and after tapping on it guys, the link would be copied to your clipboard. Now you'll be able to paste it wherever you like. So in order to share it, you can. So I'll be just creating a note and sharing it on my notes over here, but in your case you can paste it to whomever you like in order to share it. And you can see guys, the Picsart warning code has been generated. Similarly guys, this is how you'll be able to copy the folder link in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.